8 Wonder Tips to Enjoy a Happy Marriage. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the wonderful qualities you need to live a happy married life. Living happily ever after is the fairy tale ending you want to happen in your marriage. Is living happily ever after sort of a married life possible for any couple? It's quite impossible. A marriage without problems and issues exists only in fairy tales. In reality, your married life is entirely different. The words happily ever after should be replaced by living responsibly ever after. Yes, after your marriage, your life becomes responsible and committed. And many a time you feel unhappy by the procession of problems you face in your married life. When there are too many responsibilities thrust on your shoulders, you feel tense that your relationship is one big burden to you. How can I enjoy a happy married life when I'm plagued with one problem after another, you lament? Very true. Fulfilling responsibilities can be quite daunting. And family problems can make your married life boring and tedious. But this is what marriage is all about. Married life inevitably means fighting against problems and fulfilling your responsibilities. Family problems are high tide waves you face day in and day out in your relationship. It is a challenge that you can never avoid. When you're forced to handle your family problems all alone without the help of your spouse, you feel lonely and miserable. But when your spouse stands side by side with you to solve your family issues, you feel emotionally bonded with him or her. Happiness does not come on its own into your married life. Only you can make your relationship happy. But to enjoy your married life, you must have certain qualities embedded seamlessly into your relationship. Shall we now have a look at the qualities you need to enjoy a happy marriage? The number one quality to enjoy a happy marriage is love and care for each other. Love is the foundation of your marriage. Without love, your marriage can never survive. Most of you love your spouse but do not know the trick of making him or her feel your love. When you do not demonstrate your love, your spouse is doubtful whether you love him or her at all. It is sad that most of you do not demonstrate your love for your spouse after a few years of marriage. You become withdrawn and distant from your spouse. You feel that your spouse should understand your love without you demonstrating it. This is a wrong way of living your married life. Love not demonstrated is not love at all. So demonstrate your love for your spouse openly and frankly. Be caring towards the emotional needs of your spouse. Be instant in appreciating the goodness of your spouse. When you're demonstrative about the love you have for your spouse, it makes your married life throb with happiness. The number two quality to enjoy a happy marriage is to understand that your spouse will be different from you. You often feel miserable in your married life because you're unhappy that your spouse is diversified from you in many ways. You should understand that the diversity of your spouse is not something to feel worried about. Your spouse comes from a different family upbringing and so is bound to be different from you. You might be an introvert and your spouse might be an extrovert. You might like spending money while your spouse might like saving it. These sort of diversities that exist between you should not worry you. It is part of your marriage package. So you should accept the diversities of your spouse as natural and normal. Love your spouse for what he or she is. When you overlook the differences that exist between you, you can feel happy in your married life. The number three quality to enjoy a happy marriage is giving personal space to your spouse. Do not ever think that you're displaying true love only when you cling on to your spouse. Your spouse feels suffocated when you do not allow him or her the personal space due to him or her. When you breathe down the neck of your spouse 24/7, it makes him or her feel fettered and shackled living with you. Though you're married, you should understand that both will have your own personal desires and that you should have the space to fulfill it. When you allow your spouse to enjoy his or her personal space without barging into it, it makes him or her feel fulfilled and happy living with you. The number four quality to enjoy a happy marriage is trust. A married life without trust is not worth living. It takes years to build trust between you in your marriage, but a second is enough to destroy it. When you do not indulge in needless activities which provoke the suspicion of your spouse, your married life will be peaceful and happy. You should trust that your spouse is loyal to you. You should trust the ability of your spouse. You should trust your spouse in money matters. You should trust that your spouse will not cheat you. Your spouse also should trust you. When there is trust between you, you can be relaxed and comfortable in your married life. The number 5 quality to enjoy a happy marriage is being frank and open with your spouse. When you hide your activities from your spouse, a sense of secrecy enters into your relationship. Your spouse feels restless and frustrated when he or she knows nothing about your financial dealings, your friends, your activities, and your whereabouts. You should inform your spouse about your whereabouts. You should discuss with your spouse about your money dealings. When there is transparency in your relationship, you can enjoy a sense of calm and peace in your married life. The number 6 quality to enjoy a happy marriage is being financially secure. When there is no money for your day-to-day survival, your love for each other will be thrashed into nothingness. When you have no money for the education of your children, you will argue with your spouse aggressively. When you have debts, your relationship will not be full of love. It will be full of needless bitter fights between you. It is because money is the survival kit of your marriage. You cannot eat love, can you? You cannot buy a thing with your love. It needs hard currencies for your marriage to survive. So you must save for your family's financial future. You should also be mindful about the way you spend your hard-earned money. When you have enough money to lead a good lifestyle, it will prevent the unnecessary arguments that might otherwise arise between you. The number 7 quality to enjoy a happy marriage is when there is no verbal and physical abuse. You're not a robot that you're programmed not to feel angry and furious at your spouse. It is very natural to fight and argue with your spouse. But your anger should never be to insult your spouse. You should not make derisive comments about the upbringing of your spouse when you argue with him or her. You should never utter abusive words about the family of your spouse. Using expletives to vent your anger on your spouse is a big no. Never ever use physical violence on your spouse. Your anger against your spouse should be dignified. Your words should show your momentary anger and not your stored anger. Your momentary anger is always forgotten and forgiven by your spouse when you ask apology for the hurt you inflicted on him or her. When you're dignified in your anger, your spouse likes you for being reasonable and rational. A happy marriage does not happen on its own. Only you must make it happen. Did this video make you understand the qualities you need to enjoy happiness in your married life? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.